Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Wow, my people, my there again. Big up, you see it? My people, you see the picture that you're looking at on your screen right here, viewers and subscribers? Well, this picture had been posted online in quite a number of news articles with words that gave me the understanding that a man by man who goes by a certain name had been accused of urinating on a female while the female was on a aeroplane, and that man had been arrested. So it is said that the incident happened within the month of November the year 2022, and according to information, it is said that on a New York to Delhi flight, Air India flight, viewers and subscribers, on November 26, the man allegedly unzipped his pants and urinated on a woman in the business class. Then he later begged the woman not to report him to the police, saying that it would impact his wife and child, viewers and subscribers. The man said, I basically my beg because allegedly in saying beg because he claims he have wife and child. That's according to information on me get it. The man said, according to a news article that I read, viewers and subscribers, it is said that the flight crew are members of the flight elected not to file no complaint when the plane landed, no, viewers and subscribers. That is according to the news article. And there's some allegation about the man being intoxicated. I'm not sure how accurate that be. You see me? I say, whether the man drunk or not, that was just wrong. You see me? However, after a certain amount of time, viewers and subscribers, it is said that the airline, who's to represent the airline, gave a certain necessary authority information about the situation, viewers and subscribers. So it is said that the man had been arrested on Friday. So it's like the crew elected not to summon law enforcement upon landing. Allegedly, it is said that following the outcry, after the incident surfaced, the airline banned the same man who allegedly peed on the woman, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, it is said that the person had been banned from flying for a certain amount of days. So it is said that Air India officials and the crew of the flight have been asked to explain their handling of the incident after widespread shock and disgust. So people start hearing about it, so they might ask questions. So I got the understanding that law enforcers was looking for this man for a certain amount of time, viewers and subscribers. And this news article that I'm looking at said that the Delhi police had deployed a team in a certain location or a state capital, viewers and subscribers, to capture the man after getting some concrete leads on his whereabouts, viewers and subscribers. So allegedly, it is said that he switched off his phone and he was using his social media accounts to communicate with his friends, which gave an opening to the police to zero in on his location or on him, viewers and subscribers. So one news article said that the man had been arrested late Friday night. One news article said Friday night, viewers and subscribers. Now, I don't know if a FIDEM local time they are talking about, because another news article mentioned Saturday with a certain specific time and also said local time, and that the man was brought back to a certain national capital. You understand me? So the same news article said that a Delhi court later sent him to judicial custody for 14 days, saying no police custody was required for further investigation. And me say these things that the news article says of viewers and subscribers, but you might think what me I go say no. If all of these information are accurate and if they are true, viewers and subscribers, whether the man drunk or not, that's just wrong. Like, that's just wrong, man. That's just wrong. You have to know to conduct yourself in the public. And to that topic, my people, me say Amara go live on social media and she talk about sting and money and everyday. And in my point of view, I didn't expect to hear some of the things that Amara say, you know. Anyway, so let me say I can explain to you in my words and according to how I understand some things that Amara said, viewers and subscribers. See? Now, first of all, she said some things like she imply how Sting organized in my point of view, and then she called Heavy D a certain kind of bad word in of your subscribers. So I say, yeah man, she also called the owner of Sting a thief. And then she said that she sent Sting viral. She also mentioned Queenie to one of your subscribers. Yeah man, she said she and Queenie make Sting nice. And then a part of the video she said, if you say me only come a Sting come fight and I only one song me do. Or if you say me only come a Sting come fight and only one song me do. What Queenie do? Then she turn on and say she nah go bad mouth Queenie. Whatever you give Queenie or whatever you give her, she no business with that. She business, but she no business. Just take care of her. Make me and you have this battle. You see me some people, that she say. Then she say, she sure say, if she did make him do a type of sex or something to her, she would have get more. So I start, I say to myself, say, get more? You know me, I say, get more. Alright, me not say nothing else. Me just go and listen. Then she say, then come all this way for Sting. Oh, you're so wicked. And then she cuss a bad word or she curse bad words. Then she said, she did feel like there would be some hope for she and Heavy D be some kind of friend, but we will never be friends, she said. And then she said, although Slickster and Slickster are friends, because if you think, say you're slick, me slicker than you, but I go catch you. By the hair of a chinny chin chin, me, I go catch you. If I even set up a prostitute for you, bad word, me, I go catch you. You go here, so you're dead in our motel like merciless. And so you are go here, say, you're dead because of the wicked things where you do. So may I say, me only explaining my words and I understand some things I'm here she saying of your subscribers. You understand? Then it's like she say, no, I'm not sending you no threat, but only like by prostitute, me must catch you. Cause she and the prostitute, they're my friend. Unless you go back at that the location, go buy a certain type of word. As I may ask your subscribers, you ever notice that Jamaicans sometimes do sentence and then use two words close together, like exactly together in a sentence, and they sound like a sentence. You ever notice that? Go back. Anyway, so another part of the video, she said some things where gave me the understanding that she said that she want her money. Now at this rise my interest. But me and she said she want her money. And she said other words as well too. So I say, yeah man. She said she don't show everybody she not have a dime in her bank account. See me? She also shows a bag claiming about her original clothes for Sting. See me? I say, and then she show some type of clothing and things that resemble gears and clothes that soldiers will use and wear, viewers and subscribers. And then she went on to talk about other things as well. It's a good while she did on the live attack. And I also saw at least one comment from a account on that social media page that I would call RT Boss Official. Yeah, I would call that account RT Boss Official. To what me say, so I say the comment have some emojis, viewers and subscribers, and I think that type of emoji is a type of emoji where some people might use to do certain things that some people might call out of a comment. Yeah, so I say people, me didn't expect for your Amari I talk about things pertaining to money and Sting. Me didn't expect for you them thing. You see me I say I tell them my people. Yeah, I think I left it now. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla. taint it.